Ever wondered why you click with some people and others drive you crazy? It could be your boss, your partner, even your kids. Anyone can upset your day by their annoying, frustrating or confusing comments or behaviour. We developed click colours to help you find out why this happens and how to boost your relationships. Personalities and behaviours are very complex, and we wanted to give you an easy way of understanding the 4 core sub-personalities that we all have. Let me introduce you to 4 interesting characters who all have very different ways of seeing the world. Yuri sees everything as exciting and fun and is a risk taker. Gail's key task each day is to tick off her checklist and has big problems with Yuri, who often ignores the rules. Rose just loves listening to others, has lots of friends, yet is often accused of being too gullible and trusting, mostly by Bert. And finally Bert. Bert is logical and rational and is often frustrated when dealing with Rose, Yuri and Gail, who step outside Bert's logical view of the world on a daily basis. There is a Yuri, Gail, Rose and Bert in all of us, and depending on what task we're doing, here are some examples. Yuri dominates in creative and free-flowing discussions. Gail enjoys planning and organising meetings. Rose blossoms in team building, and Bert focuses best analysing data. So here is the problem. We all have personal preferences and comfort zones and often find it hard to appreciate the other's point of view, especially when it doesn't match our own. So if you want to click with people, you need to know what makes them tick, and Click Colours is the new, quick, fun and exciting tool that allows you to explore and understand how everyone's thinking preferences influence behaviour. Happy clicking, everyone!